Welcome to the ultimate adventure machine, the 2025 Volkswagen California. This iconic camper van has been reimagined with modern technology, enhanced comfort, and improved efficiency, making it the perfect travel companion for your next road trip. From the outside, the 2025 California maintains its classic silhouette but with refined aerodynamics, sleek LED lighting, and a more aggressive front grille. Built on the latest Multivan platform, it offers improved handling and a smoother ride, whether you're cruising through city streets or exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations. Step inside, and you're greeted with a spacious and intelligently designed interior. The California features a high-quality, ergonomic layout with upgraded materials, soft touch surfaces, and ambient lighting for a cozy atmosphere. The retractable pop-up roof provides extra headroom and a comfortable sleeping area, transforming your camper into a true home on wheels. The fully equipped kitchen includes a modern induction cooktop, a spacious fridge, and a sink with a sleek fold-away design. There's plenty of storage for all your cooking essentials, making meal prep effortless while on the road. The swivel front seats, adjustable dining table, and flexible seating arrangement allow for a highly adaptable living space that can be reconfigured to suit your needs. Tech lovers will appreciate the California's state-of-the-art digital cockpit, featuring a large touchscreen infotainment system with built-in navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Smart voice commands and wireless charging keep you connected, while advanced driver assistance systems ensure safety and ease of driving on long journeys. Under the hood, the 2025 California is available with multiple powertrain options, including efficient turbocharged gasoline and diesel engines. Volkswagen has also introduced a plug-in hybrid variant, offering eco-friendly travel with extended electric range for short trips and reduced emissions. Climate control, integrated blackout curtains, and improved insulation make the California a year-round camper. Whether you're camping in the summer heat or winter chill, you'll stay comfortable no matter the season. Designed for adventure, the 2025 Volkswagen California offers the perfect blend of practicality, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. With its versatile features and timeless charm, this camper van is ready to take you anywhere your heart desires. Pack your bags, hit the road, and experience the freedom of van life like never before.